kidding me.
Recognition technology to teach a new language.
When Sunday morning matter if the car you're in doesn't take advantage of it? If the safety, technology, efficiency, or even beauty matter if the car doesn't feel right in your hands?
And I wasn't around. I don't know what my buddy Ron over here, he's a hard left-winger. So well, why did they name it after him like that back in the day? Back in 1960 or whenever it was when they made the decision, because it was I disagree with that. Calvin, I do have to correct you on there is a huge difference between people being enslaved for no fault of their own and today's welfare state.
Oh, I understand completely. But what I'm trying to say is, you got the opportunity to work out of it. I know it's tough. There's situations everywhere, and it's crazy.
We should call we are all even the case. About 1965, 1960, around the restrictions apply. See website for details. How did I get into credit card debt? A trip to the emergency room.
Car repairs.
Moving expenses? There's a million ways to get into credit card debt, but one sure way to start getting out. Avant. Avant offers access to online unsecured loans from $2,000 to $35,000 at competitive rates and no extra charges for paying back early. Over 500,000 customers. Which seems like more of a challenge to me. I don't know why.
Man, you're in the road. The sidewalk right there.
That's right.
Annual Original Steakhouse Lounge, Worcester. One of those entranceways.
Let's let this guy through.
Money would have been what was required to sort of keep.
You don't have a stop sign
going while they figured out whether this guy was for real or not, and so they were not at all. And that's not all we're looking at. I'm glad that they came out and puked their guts out in the Washington Post. I like more people to do that. Yeah, but we are actually looking at an additional challenge.
Between official business in Denmark and the UK, the secretary and his wife spent several days as tourists, and the IG determined to properly accept the gift of tickets to Wimbledon. In a detailed rebuttal, Secretary Shelton's personal lawyer said he had done nothing.
Wow, really?
The secretary himself called the IG's report inaccurate and said the investigation, quote, reeks of
thing.
Rats, it's Jim Monahan on the offbeat.
Listen to me teaching. Big dog ate my homework.
When Pat Finnerty returned to his Blackvue, England home, there was their 10-year-old.
On Saturday, we'll get up to 72 on Sunday. I'm staff meteorologist Steve Smith for News Dog WGAC.
It's cloudy and 61 at 5:35. From the WGAC 24-hour news, traffic, and weather center, I'm Gail Mino.
Hi, this is Eric Clemens.
For a possible motive, they're looking at the days and the hours that led up to this shooting. The sheriff has also told us they have looked at his social media posts at his
Franchise disclosure document. Are you one of the 70% of Americans who hate their jobs? Do you wish you could work for yourself but don't know what to do? Then we have a proven solution.
Annual revenue of at least $150,000 and minimum credit score of 550. We can provide you with up to $500,000. Our unique financing service can get you the cash you need with very flexible payment plans, personalized to fit your specific situation. Growing your business just got a lot easier. Approval as little as 1 day. Stop worrying.
never jumped all over that because it wasn't with their agenda or their fight.
Yep, no, you're quite right. All right, Brenda, thank you for your call.
And there he goes again.
I just want to say, I just don't understand how you can mail, wire, or bank fraud the Department of Justice as a foreign agent orders.
And a signed copy of Rita Dove's book, Collected Poems, 1974 to 2004. We rolled a 20-sided die, and Tad is going first. Tad. Russ Leatherman provided the voice to what service that gave callers film showtime?
Or that we need this assistance.
So, married couple Nantua and Taha have agreed to show me what UNRWA means for them.
Yes.
At their home in the refugee camp, Najwa is getting her daughters ready to go to school.
unconditionally dedicated to the absolute best first quality ingredients.
All cooked fresh and served hot till 9 p.m. 7 days a week.
on the go? Well, you can. Just go to Apple Podcasts or NPR One or any fine purveyor of podcasts and hit subscribe. Then we will slip right into your feed every week and you won't even know it. Oh, won't that be fun? Also, check us out on Facebook and Twitter. We are at Hear Big Listen. That's H-E-A-R Big Listen. We are a mega fun follow. Also, our email address is biglisten@wamu.org. Love notes encouraged and appreciated. The show today was produced by Daisy Rosario and Patsy Rutch. Jake Cherry mixed the show.
What is it? Today only? 20% off your entire purchase at Big Lots? Gee, I didn't see that.
Thank you.